Welcome to EndNote Installation Guide. This guide is intended for University Technology Mara registered users only. By the end of the session you will be able to install and use the software successfully. What is EndNote? EndNote is a reference management software, used to manage bibliographies and reference when writing essays and articles. To start the installation process, please visit Library portal at library.uitm.edu.my and click on the Research tab. The list of softwares will be visible. To proceed, click on the EndNote software. Please read the system's requirement in order to ensure a smooth installation process. Depending on your preferences, you can now choose to download the installation files either for Windows or Mac. Installation files have been successfully downloaded. Now we go to installation steps. Right-click to extract the installation files. At this point, you are required to fill in the password. To do so, please contact our reference librarian or reference desk for the password. Click on Installer icon to proceed for installation. Next, the installation setup. Proceed with the installation by following the instructions. Click the Finish button to complete the installation. The EndNote X8 tab will appear at the top of your Microsoft Word if the installation is successful. To get a user guide, you can visit the page EndNote Software Download. This ends our EndNote installation guide. We hope you will be able to complete the installation successfully. If you have any inquiries regarding the installation, please contact us through the medium provided. We can be reached through phone, social medias, and online chat.